Now that we can hold our instrument up and we know where our fingers go, we're going to take the mouthpiece buzz that we did before, and all we're going to do is plug it into the trombone, just like this. That's it. You may get a different note if I buzz slower. You'll notice I just played 4 different notes without moving my slide at all. All I did was change the speed of my buzz. And that's how I got the 4 notes. If I do that on the mouthpiece, and I do that into the trombone, all I'm doing is changing the direction of my air and the speed of my lips. We're going to get to that a little bit later, and that's a-okay. But if you can play a couple of notes, fantastic. While you're holding the trombone, and you want to make sure, I usually use my pinky as a little catch. You can see it. So if I unlock the slide lock, my pinky's there to catch it. If my pinky wasn't there to catch it, and I unlock it, it's going to whoop, instantly fall. This is the fragile part of the trombone, so we need to be careful with our slide. So with my slide locked and I have my pinky as my catch, I'm going to hold the instrument up and I'm going to play one note and make the slide go out. Do you think the note's going to go higher or lower? Think to yourself, do big instruments play low or high? Let's find out. Do high instruments, little instruments, do they play high or low? Let's find out. Did the note go higher or lower? Yeah, they went lower. If we do the same thing, we'll start out here and we'll bring the slide in. Is it going to go higher or lower? What do you think? Yeah, it went higher this time. So the trombone's a very unique instrument because it's the only one that doesn't have buttons, and you can be perfectly in tune all the time. Again, we'll talk about that a little bit later, but trombone's very, very cool. So we're going to lock our slide for right now, and we're going to work on playing 2 different notes. We're going to play a lower note and a higher note. All we're going to do is change the speed of our lips. For our low note, I almost want to think nice and relaxed. I'm going to try to keep my corners nice and tight. I don't want to go no chipmunk face. So if I do this nice and gentle, all I'm going to do now is speed my lips up a little bit. Instead of going, I tighten them a little bit more. Faster air, faster corners. You can see the difference between faster lips, not faster corners. Faster lips and slower lips. I can go up and down between the 2. Listen. If you can do that, holy moly, you're rocking it.